Have you ever pondered the things that lurk in the shadows of reality? Those eerie truths too chilling to contemplate? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the top 10 spine-chilling facts you might wish you never knew. Buckle up as we delve into the abyss of the unknown, starting with number 10. Number 10, the shadow of space. Space, the final frontier, is an infinite void of darkness and silence. It's so quiet that if two pieces of metal touch each other in space, they would permanently stick together, a process known as cold welding. Imagine being stuck in the silence and darkness of space forever. Number 9, the Immortal Cells. Did you know there are cells that never die? They belong to Henrietta Lacks, a woman who passed away from cervical cancer in 1951. Scientists harvested her cells without her consent, and they continue to multiply to this day, living on in laboratories around the world. Number 8, the human zoo. In the early 20th century, human zoos were a popular attraction in the Western world. Indigenous people from Africa and Asia were exhibited like animals, a grim reminder of humanity's capacity for cruelty. Number 7, the brain-eating amoeba. Naegleria fowleri, an amoeba found in warm freshwater bodies, can enter the human body through the nose and devour brain tissue, leading to a fatal infection known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. Number 6, the silent killer. Carbon monoxide, an odorless and colorless gas, can cause sudden illness and death without warning. It's often called the silent killer, as its victims may not know they're in danger until it's too late. Number 5, the death's head Hawkmoth. This moth, known for the skull-like pattern on its thorax, is associated with death and misfortune in many cultures. Its eerie squeaking noise, made when it's disturbed, only adds to its chilling reputation. Number 4, the buried alive. In the Victorian era, people were so terrified of being buried alive that they installed bells in coffins. If someone was mistakenly buried, they could ring the bell to alert those above ground. A truly horrifying thought. Number 3, the human botfly. This insect lays its eggs on a host's skin. The larvae then burrow into the skin and live beneath it, causing painful sores. The thought of something living under your skin is enough to send shivers down your spine. Number 2, the brain's perception of reality. Your brain doesn't perceive pain immediately. It takes about 1/10 of a second for your brain to understand what's happening. This means you live your entire life slightly in the past. And finally, number 1, the most chilling fact of all, the certainty of death. No matter what we do, how we live, or what we believe, death is the only certainty in life. The thought of our inevitable end can be the most terrifying fact of all. To sum it up, the top 3 most chilling facts we've explored today are the human botfly, which lays its eggs under the host's skin, the brain's delayed perception of reality, meaning we live slightly in the past, and the universally unsettling certainty of death. Each of these facts, in their own unique way, reveal the unsettling truths that lurk beneath the surface of our everyday reality. So as we go about our lives, let's remember that the world around us is filled with wonders, but also with mysteries that can send a shiver down our spine.